Hey guys, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pumpkin iced tea as well as pumpkin spice latte. This is perfect for the October fall weather. The ingredients are cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, pumpkin puree, tea that has been set in the fridge, some whipped coffee that's been whipped in the blender, pumpkin water, mason jars, and cups to serve. So let's get started. So everyone, the first thing that I'm going to be showing you how to make is our pumpkin iced tea. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to grab 4 tablespoons of our pumpkin water, and we're going to put that into our cup. Then we're going to be adding a pinch of cinnamon. And now we mix. After we're done mixing, we're going to be adding the rest with our tea. Mix again. And that's it for our pumpkin iced tea. Now let's get on to the coffee. So everyone, now I'm going to be showing you how to make our pumpkin spice latte. First, I'm going to be adding in half a cup of coffee into our pot. Next, we're going to be adding a pinch of cinnamon. We're going to be adding in our cloves and then our pumpkin puree. This is 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. Now it's time to take it over to the stove. Now we're going to whisk this on low heat until it's well combined, and then turn it off when it simmers. Once your mixture is done simmering, add your milk to taste and turn off the heat. So guys, once your coffee is done, make sure to take out your cloves. Now, this smells amazing. I wish you guys were here to smell it. No, really, it smells so good. Make sure to please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Follow me on Instagram at Sarah the Little Baker. Bye! See you next time. Now let me enjoy my